Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can replace the image colors in Photoshop. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Photoshop. So I have already opened the Photoshop. I'm going to open that. So you have to install the Photoshop. You can also download it from the Google and then you have to install that. So I'm going to click on the open, or let's say click on the create. And after that, we have to click on the create button. So as you can see now it's done. And now I'm going to open for the image. So let's open the image. We have to go to the document section. I'm going to insert this image. So let's click on this. So as you can see now it's done. Now what we need to do, I'm going to unlock this, and after unlocking this we have to click on the image section, and after clicking on the image we have to click on the adjustment, and after clicking on the adjustment we have to scroll down, and now we have to click on the replace color. So let's click on this. Now it's done. Now what we need to do, simply we have to untick this, and now we have to choose the color. As you can see I have choose the color. Now after that we have to click on this icon. So let's click on this, and now we have to choose the color samples from a different way. So let's choose this color samples. Let's click on this, here and here and here, and now as you can see now it's done. So as you can see, here's the option for the result. So we have to click on result, and now we have to choose the color. As you can see, click on the OK. So as you can see now it's perfectly changed because I have not selected the color in the way. So if you want to make it correct, you can also do that. It's up to you. You just have to choose the color in the right way. You have to collect the color samples in the perfect way. As you can see now it's done. So in this way you can change the color of the image. You can replace a color. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can replace a color in Photoshop. So see you guys in the next video.